Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We're going to look at this 2017 Landmark. It's a Newport 365 is the model. So we're going to go inside and take a peek, and then we'll show you the outside also. All right, inside this nice looking Newport, where you walk in the door, and straight in the door you've got your residential fridge with a water ice machine on it. On the right here you've got your half bath. And then in this floor plan, which is nice and big open, you got your big island, double sink, your stainless steel appliances, you got your oven, 3 burner, you got the bigger BTUs, you got the microwave, convection microwave, the glass doors on the oven. So this one you have the double slides here in the living area with the lighting overhead, your fan, ceiling fan, you got a lot of cabinetry, a little pantry here next to the oven. And then you got a big fireplace that's across from your recliners. Then you got a hide-to-bed couch in the back with the big windows on the sides. So these have the MCD shades. These have actually the blackout and the dark colored ones. So like I said, a lot of cabinetry, LED lightings, pretty open here. So this particular model with the extra half bath, and then if you go up towards the bedroom, your control panel here for your monitors, everything, your extra monitor for the batteries, you've got your control center, lights and everything. You go up the stairs and you got on your left, you got a nice king bed with storage underneath it. Across from that you got cabinets, a lot of cabinets, and then you got a little window seat there. You can sit down and put your shoes on. And this front bath up here is awesome. I mean, you got a big walk-in bathroom in the front with a big shower, porcelain toilet. Actually, you had a washer and dryer combination, and this one comes with it. This is a used 2017. Big closet in the front. So nice big counter and the sink there, or the bathroom, you know, for your master bathroom. So pretty sweet unit. So it's very light colors in here. You know, some of the newer stuff has gone to dark. You got the LED lighting's really good, but it's kind of like a maple colored, a little bit lighter. So pretty unit. So and then we'll go outside and take a peek outside. So on the outside, guys, if these have the full body paint, they call partial paint now because the slides don't have on the sides. But if you walk around in the bay area, you've got a nice big bay opening across through. You've got, of course, this has hydraulic jacks all the way around. You can get toppers on your slide out awnings. You got electric awning for the big main entrance, and then on the other side you got your full hookups and everything there. So look, pretty unit. The outside's beautiful. On the back you got a ladder that gets up on top, for the roof to do your roof inspections and whatnot. Pretty unit, like I said, full body paint, so it'll look good like this for a long time. So if you're interested in one of these, this is a true live-in type coach. This is Heartland's high-end coach. So if you're looking for one of these, or we sell, other fifth wheels, truck campers, toy haulers. All right, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.